on the Cocobolo and the Ebony, since I've taken them to 12,000 grit with sanding, they really don't need a protective coating. So I'm putting on Renaissance wax. This is a really interesting wax. It is used in museums and such to protect and preserve items. And you only have to put one coat on there. You can kind of smell an accelerant type smell to it. It's got something in there that helps this dry and harden, and it resists fingerprints. So that's really, really cool. Now I used some Watco Danish oil to put onto, there we go, onto my little bells. Because this soaks really well into the palm and brings out the color. It's really, really nice. So all you have to do is put those little suckers in like so, and it looks good. I've gone ahead and glued in the feet, and I used some Titebond Instant. And one of these dowels is a little bit wobbly, so I used the gel, so that filled up the hole better and held it in. Now, you can put your clock in like so, and then remember I had over here on the back side, I had this little push-out bar, right? And one trick on the push-out bar, this has a nice little slight friction fit, so it's not gonna fall out. If it does fall out, you can always do this. Take some plumber's tape and do one wrap on it. No one's ever gonna see that. Anyway, so that is how you make a clock.